Hello everyone, it's Crypto Winter Bowl here, back with another video. It's a little bit different than the Hedron videos that I posted previous, but I have a better mic now, so it's going to be a lot better quality. Today I wanted to do a video on just getting your personal finances in order so you can invest in the market a little bit more efficiently. I found this tip from Whales Only to be very useful, and I just started doing it, and it's helped me a lot. So I'll just kind of walk through on how to set up a basic Excel spreadsheet, and do some basic adding into this. So to do this, you just make like a chart, and then you select all of it. If you want to do the different colors, it's pretty easy. You just go view more and then conditional formatting, and then select color scale, and then this. So now you'll be able to just kind of pick your different scales. Obviously, um, just pick whatever colors you want, and it will go through, and you can get like a staggered um, type of chart look. Um, and then if you want to add your values, you just click the box that you want it to add into and type in equals sum, and then the column and the row number, and then a semicolon next one. So it's pretty basic. Took me a few minutes to figure out myself, but once you learn how to do it, it's very easy. Um, Oops, equals sum. 1 second here, it kind of messed up on me. So we would do B9 through B16. So B9 semicolon B16 and there. So here you just list your incomes if you got rental, dividend from a business, or your wage income, and then you can get a total. Then just list all of your liabilities. So anything that you're paying for is considered a liability. Um, like your house or your rent, utilities, insurances, your gas, food, miss expenses. Um, so once you are able to clearly see what you're spending your money on, that's going to allow you to better invest capital into the markets without sacrificing lifestyle. Obviously, making some sacrifices may be necessary if you want to put more capital into the markets. But at least by organizing it like this, you can just get a nicer picture of how much you can actually put in without making too many sacrifices. It is recommended that you do have a small little fund in case things happen to go wrong. Obviously, life happens, and having a small nest egg um, is valuable so that you don't have to end up selling your assets off at any point to pay for an emergency. Um, so I've been doing this for about 5 months now. It's helped quite a bit, just helped me get a lot more organized. So I wanted to share this with you guys. Um, Now we'll move into the assets. So list your, if you have a TFSA account, RSP, or Roth, or whatever type of equity portfolio. You could list all the equities if you want to, but I tend to just put the amount that I hold in dollars, and then I can see that change every month. And now the good stuff, the crypto assets. So what I've found is valuing just in dollars is not really, doesn't give you the nicest picture of how your portfolio is actually doing. Since Bitcoin and ETH are priced in dollars, even if some of your altcoins um, go up in dollars, that doesn't mean that it went up versus ETH or Bitcoin. At the end of the day, these two are probably the ones that you want to get. Obviously, you want to get some Hex too. Maybe one day Hex will be one of the kingpins that everybody values their portfolio in, but for now, just ETH and Bitcoin and the dollar. The reason why you do this is just so you can get a nicer picture how your portfolio is doing. Um, and I've found it pretty useful in actually seeing what's going on. Because things will go up or down significantly against the dollar, but if they're not going up or down, or if they went up a lot against ETH, then you know you're doing pretty good. Um, so to do this, so let's say you have Hex, right? So if you want to see how much your Bitcoin or your Hex is in BTC, you just type in the asset up here, Hex, click on it. And then this little tab here on Nomics. So you can see it's got USDC, USDT, ETH, Bitcoin. So you just click Bitcoin, type in, okay, let's say you got 10,000 Hex. So that's 0.0214 Bitcoin. Come over here, copy it in. Hex. 10,000. Bitcoin value. And then you can put the price of Bitcoin there. So it's 211 Satoshis, right? So you just put 211 Satoshis. And then same thing for ETH. Come over here. Ethereum. So that's 0.29 ETH. Just like that. And just do that for all your assets. And then you can equal the sum up here as well. So that's pretty much everything I wanted to share for this video. I will leave a link in the description for this sheet. You can come and play with it, tailor it to how you want to keep track of your stuff. I just wanted to give you guys something that I found useful, because if you don't have your finances in order, it's going to be very difficult to figure out how to put money into the market. Um, Obviously, I've learned this over a couple years, and I just recently started doing it. So the sooner you start, the better off you'll be, in my opinion. Anyways, guys, that's it for this video. Crypto Winter Bull out.